Hi guys, and thank you so much for checking out this video series presentation to learn more about the International Abundance Movement. So I think you might agree with me that some of us today, in today's crazy world, are looking for maybe better health, maybe more energy. Well, I'm excited to share with you a water technology that will provide you true health. So let's go ahead and begin and learn about how this all started. So going back to the 1950s, a discovery was made that thousands of people from all parts of the world were traveling to these places on this map. They were going to these places for what was being called a miracle water. And this water was curing them of their sickness and disease. And this is fascinating. Dr. Henry Kawanda, a Nobel Prize winner in science, was actually studying this water for 6 decades in the Hunzai Valley. And he determined that all these people that were going to these different water sources were living a really long time illness-free. And what they found was that the water had a high alkaline pH and an extraordinary amount of active hydrogen. Active hydrogen is known as the highest form of antioxidants that we can put into our body. So in the 1970s, scientists figured out a way to use technology to recreate this water so people could drink and have this water in their homes. And the company that came out with this amazing breakthrough technology is Enagic. Enagic is a 41-year-old privately held company, and why this is so important to a consumer, especially in today's world, is because they're vertically integrated and they're an OEM. And what that means is Enagic does not outsource materials, but owns from all production to the final package. They're the top in the industry, so industry leader, member of the BBB, DSA, and also they have offices all throughout North America and also the world. And these are some of the awards and documents that Enagic receives every year. And a few to point out, the ISO award. This is an amazing award recognized by engineers, and because this product is a medical device, the ISO rating is the highest, strictest standard guidelines for quality manufacturing. And this ISO document rating is for the highest standards in environmental management. And this is the Water Quality Association, which is like the FDA in our country for water. So it is necessary to have the WQA certification to be able to have these machines and this water served in restaurants, hospitals, and medical facilities. And there are more restaurants throughout the country using these machines for cleaning, for cooking, cleaning fruits and vegetables, and also serving this drinking water to their customers. This is another big recognition. This document certifies it is a medical grade device in Japan. And some people are surprised they haven't heard of these devices, but these machines are huge in Japan. They've been used in over 250 hospitals, and the device is approved by the Japanese Association of Preventive Medicine for Adult Disease. And so what does that mean? That means that 6,500 doctors certify this technology every year as medical grade technology. And Japan is one of the toughest markets to get technology like this approved, especially something that is hospital grade. So these are the Enagic products. So we'll go over these a little bit. So the Super 501, this is the commercial grade unit. So it's being used in restaurants and medical facilities. The K8, this is a household unit. It's the newest flagship model. We've had out for over a year now. The SD501, this is going to be the original flagship model, also a household unit. The Level Look R, which is going to be the smaller unit. This is going to be great for travel, and you can actually fit it in a big backpack. And then we have the Anespa, which is a spa shower unit, which is really amazing because if you're looking at this for a total lifestyle, you don't want to be drinking chlorinated fluoride water, and you don't want to be showering in or bathing in either. And that's what the spa unit does. It actually filters out what you don't want to be showering in. So it's going to take out the chlorine, bacteria from your shower water. And because our skin is our largest organ, we absorb everything that touches our skin. So that's just something to think about. And then we have the Ukon. So this is, if you've heard of turmeric, which is a spice used in many cultures throughout the world. This is the only supplement that we offer. And why this Ukon turmeric is special is because it is irrigated with Kangen water, and they also add essential oils and vitamins to it. So they also come in small capsules forms that are individually packaged. They're not in a bottle, and they're not the horse pill size. supplements. And so I take these as a multivitamin each day for their anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. So getting back to the household device, the Ka. So the machine makes 5 types of water. And if you're like me, before learning about these devices, I didn't know there were more than one type of water. So it makes 3 levels of drinking water, 8.5, 9, and 9.5 alkaline waters. It also makes a clean water, which is going to be filtered neutral water for taking medication. Then you have a beauty water, which is used as a skin toner, which I carry a little bottle with me, a spray. It's going to be perfect to restore the pH of your skin. It's going to make your skin feel tight and look radiant. And then we have a strong acidic water. It's a 2.5 pH. This is going to be used for disinfecting household surfaces. It's also used as an antibacterial for the antibacterial properties, killing 99.9% bacteria. So you can use it as a hand sanitizer, as well as to help those people who might have skin issues such as eczema or psoriasis. And then lastly, we have the strong Kangen water, which is going to be used to break down oils. So this is perfect to clean your fruits and vegetables from oil-based pesticides. And also, I use to clean my delicates. I can use it as a detergent. So there are no moving parts in this device, and it has 8 surgical-grade titanium platinum plates. These plates provide the process called electrolysis, which makes all these special properties in these waters. And so the product will last 20 to 25 years. That's a long time. And if you think about it, I'm sure a lot of us already are spending money on these things, such as bottled water for drinking, beauty facial toner, antibacterial and disinfect, cleaning products. So think about the long run and not having to spend money for the next 20, 25 years on all these other products that we don't need to be buying once you get a machine. So why are we talking about water? So the human body is 75% water, and I'm sure you guys are aware of this. But look at this image here. The brain is almost 75% water by itself. And when some of my family started drinking the water for the first time, they started saying they had this head rush feeling. And that's because with this water, you're getting oxygen and hydration to your brain for the first time. This water provides 80% hydration into your body's cells, versus only 15% from tap and bottled water. And we'll talk more about that a little later, but what water would you choose to hydrate, that 75% of your body? So that wraps up video 1, just to, what you learned about the industry leading company that manufactures the technology, for this better type of water, in 5 types of water. Watch video 2 to learn about Kangen water's unique properties and why this water is so special.